back to my channel, and for the new viewers, what's up? So today this video is going to be a makeup tutorial, and the reason why I chose this actual tutorial is because I saw something. I was scrolling through Instagram, I saw this really awesome makeup look, and I decided to basically do the best of my ability to try and mimic or remake this tutorial, or this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this makeup look. It should be like posted right here somewhere, right here, so you guys can see, but I hope that I did a really good job. I'm not sure of what all of the different things that the makeup artist used in order to create the look, but I thought the look was so nice, so sultry, really, I don't know, I just really like the look, and I mimicked it. So let me know what you guys think, and if you want to see exactly how I got this awesome look, keep on watching, guys. So this is the final look, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Tell me if I actually did a really good job recreating this look. If I didn't, please let me know in the comment section down below. What would you have done completely differently, or what would you have done to make the look, I guess, pop a little bit more? Just let me know down in the description box or down in the comment section below. All the items that I used for this tutorial is in the description box, and guys, don't forget to go ahead and thumbs up my video if you like it. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, guys. Thanks again for watching my video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
I fight the world, I fight you, I fight myself, I fight God, just tell me how many burdens left. I fight pain and hurricanes, today I wept. I'm trying to fight back tears, flood on my doorsteps.